channel, and if you're new here, glad to have you. My name's Jelmar. If you like what you see, definitely hit that like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I post next.
And guys,
we are almost at 500 subscribers, and I hit my first year here on YouTube. How exciting. It honestly does not feel that long, and it like really shook me when I realized it was a year, and I was like, ooh. But I'm almost at 500 subs, so I plan on doing a 1 year on YouTube and 500 sub giveaway soon, so you might want to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and put that bell notification on so that you know when I'm doing that giveaway. So definitely do that if you'd like to participate in that. Super exciting. Okay, so anyway, to the point of this video, I have my Boxycharm, and I already did my face to what the things that I don't have in this box. So whatever isn't on my face and whatever I have left to do on my face are the products that I'm going to be using. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription. Now they'll have like 3 boxes in total. This one, which is the smallest one that you can get, which will have 5 products, and you can customize one, which is probably why they are making it more. It'll be $25 a month starting in November next month. So it'll be 5 beauty products worth $125 for $25 a month. So that is honestly so good. And then they'll have the newest one, which is Boxycharm Premium, which will be $35 a month for over $175 value, which is bomb.com. But I will stick to my OG little one, which I love all the products, and honestly, having full-size products, and if you're on it for a while, it'll build up your collection like it has mine. This pamphlet has all the items in the box, and we'll go over them as I show you and use them, and we'll add up the total at the end. So let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing I will be putting on is this Iconic London Prep Set and Glow Mist. And just look at those shimmers. Oh, that's beautiful. Ignore my nails, I'm getting them done today. I need to feel badly. So pretty. And it smells, I already used it before I put my makeup on because it says Prep, Set, and Glow. So you can use it as a little primer mist and a setting spray. And it smells really good. Hold on. It's like floral, like a very sweet floral. That's what it smells like. Okay, gonna dab this in, but it smells really nice. I really like the smell of it. I don't think it really did anything. We locked everything in place though, for sure. How are you guys liking this fall look I did? Because I'm obsessing. I think this is the first time I've done an all matte look. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. The Iconic London Prep Set and Glow setting spray or mist, whatever you want to call it, is $29. It says Prep Set Glow is a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave the skin with iconic glow. The stunning multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant glow to a bare face and body. With extracts of cucumber and chamomile, antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, and vitamin E, this 100% vegan Wander spray helps the conditioned skin combat the look of dark circles, and leave your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. Those are some major claims, but it sounds good to me. And I picked this item. This is one of the things that I picked for my box, and I'm super excited that I did. Next is this Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. Mine is in dark brown. The price of this is $16. It says achieve effortlessly tamed and tinted brows with Mellow's Tinted Brow Gel. A lightweight, non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess. Perfect to use over powder or pencil. So I already did my brows with the Anastasia Dip Brow. I went a little heavy by accident, but hopefully this is, it says dark brown. Hopefully it's not too dark so it doesn't look crazy, but let's see. It looks pretty like a light brown, like a dark brown. Let's see.
I need brow gel badly because these brows, ooh.
Okay, like that, and it doesn't feel like super like glued on like some brow gels. I don't see a color change, so that's good. And like I can feel that it's like set, but it's not like I said, like I got glued on eyebrows. Next is this Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. Line your eyes with the rich intensity of Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. The creamy formula glides on smooth and adds drama to any desired look. And this is $7. It felt pretty creamy. It wasn't like stiff or anything. I think what I'm gonna use this for is tight line my upper waterline, and then I'll probably put some maybe on top and try to smudge it out. My eyes water too much for this. And there we go. I actually really like that. Hank & Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. Slick With It Mascara will have you feeling like you have major clout. The vegan mascara is not only waterproof, but it does not flake or transfer. The Duo Wand applicator is designed to work with our formula for adding volume and length to your top lashes, while the other is thin and designed to easily add mascara to your lower lashes. That is good, because I hate when a lot of mascaras, when I put it on my lower lash, it transfers and I look like a raccoon. Here's the thicker end for the top lashes. It's kind of curved at the bottom, which is nice. Here's the thinner side. It's very thin, nice for the bottom lashes like they said, so I'm excited to use it. It's waterproof, so let's see. I feel like this is like a mascara that I've been looking for that I like. It's not, it's more like a clumping mascara rather than like a separating natural mascara. And I'm loving it. It's so thin, my goodness. I like this mascara. Per usual, got a whole bunch of mess all over my eyes. But like I said, wait for it. Clear it off with a Q-tip. Gonna put mascara on this side and I'll be right back. And the last thing, which I did not use on my face, and I won't be using, is the Sassy Sienna's Dose of Colors palette. It came to me shattered, sadly, but I contacted Boxycharm and they're sending me a new one, so I just didn't use this one. I might, when the new one comes in, I might just like repress the shadows in and just give it to a friend. Here are the colors on the back. Very pretty fall burnt orange brown colors. The Dose of Colors palette costs $32. It is a 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eyelids. I've seen that they're very pigmented and very nice, so I'm excited to get my new one in so I can use it. Now I am about to calculate all the items and see the total value of this box. So the total for this month's box is $103, which is so good because like even then $25 you get over $100 value. Like usually just one item is $25 or even more than $25. So it's bang for your buck. 5 items, full size, bang for your buck. Highly recommend. This is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and watch out for that giveaway. It's coming soon. It's coming. It's coming. Yeah. See you next time, guys. Bye.